the kindergartens on the floor watching the show, as well as the kindergartens on the stage, can sing. So when I sing it back. Who understands what we're doing this morning? This is a song that we sang since September and October, then we forgot about it, and we're doing it again just for moms and dads and uncles and aunts and grandparents and anybody who's family. Who's ready? Wow, there's too much talking here, I can't go on. My frown goes away. When I see your smile, everything feels okay. It's all your love. It's all your love. It's all your love. It's all your love. Mom and Dad. When I'm falling down, you always pick me up. When I've done something wrong, you always teach me right. It's all your love. It's all your love. It's all your love. It's all your love. Mom and Dad. Mom and Dad. When you lay me down.